Okay, so what I'm going to do in this video is show you how you edit a page to translate it. Okay, so at the moment you can see it's in English. I will have already asked each country which languages they want to support, so whichever pages you're going to translate into those languages, you'll have the opportunity to do so, right? I'm going to do the project mantra page, which is all in English. So I'm going to use German as a translation. So let's edit the page. So there's several ways to translate pages. So this is just one. And this is the one I think probably works the best. Okay, so you've got a featured image there and other things. We want to duplicate everything, including the featured image, to the new page. Okay, but it doesn't necessarily, when you duplicate it, instantly bring the content across for some reason. So you may have to just do this twice. It seems to work. After we update it here like this, and we go to the German. So we got a German. I'm going to open that in a new tab. And then what we have to do is bring the content in. So we just overwrite with English content. So we just click OK. And what that will do is that will take all of the page attributes, that's these little tick boxes down here, and the content in from the other page, and it will be a complete copy. But there's one thing that we really need to do. Hit this button that says translate independently. So we click translate independently. And then what will happen there is it will separate the two pages, and it won't tie them together. So just do it. Yeah, that's all you have to be concerned about. Just do it. Now, all I want to do here is just check that the tick boxes are there. Yep. So this has got a separate footer that's calling people to find a project mantra teacher. So we want to remove the original one, and this has got a separate one. So the buttons for the German are exactly the same as the English. Good. Okay, so let's add some new text. Okay, so project mantra up here, I'm going to go to Google Translate. I'm going to put that into English. I'm going to put that into German. Now that's the page title, which is hidden because there's a hero image, but it's good to translate everything because they are all needed. Okay, so this one here, I'm going to grab this bit of text there. I'm going to put that into Google Translate. I'm going to come up to there. I'm going to paste it in. Every now and again, it's good just to check that you're on the German page and not the English when doing this. So it's always good to take a backup before you start doing any translation, because it's easy to make a mistake and then let's start again. So this is our German. Check that it's German, not English. Good. Paste that in. And we could go on. Obviously this here is a view, so it's not going to allow us to translate. We'll have to translate that somewhere else. So the rest of it, we just look for text that we can. So this thing here is a quote. Let's just translate that. Copy, put it into here. Let's put that inside there. Okay, that'll do. Press update. Okay, good. So, let's bring that back in a minute. Settings, okay, document, there you go. Let's view this German page, okay. So, you see we've got some German, we've got German, that's German. Okay, so let's try and change the language, go to English. Good, and that's project mantra, and that's so essentially what you need to do in the first step is do this. You need to duplicate the original English content into your second language or third language, however many languages you're running. You want to keep checking up here to which version of the page that you're actually on, and then well, you can also do it down there, but essentially this is quite good because it has the flags. And then translate all of the pages and press update. That being said, this menu will always be in English until we translate the menu, which we'll do at a later stage after we've translated all the pages. So you want to follow this video, go through all of the blog posts, all of the pages that you want in 2 or 3 languages, and do exactly what I've just done here, okay?